DeepSearch AI claims to go beyond Google by giving you AI-powered search results that are context-aware and just awesome. The app is free to download, but premium plans run from $6.99 a week to about $40 a month, with free tier offering only a handful of searches each day. On paper, it sounds promising. The app says it can pull data from social media, news, and public profiles to help you find people and information fast. But real user feedback feels like a different story. Many report that it mostly summarizes Wikipedia pages, can't find non-public individuals, and fails to deliver on its deep search promise. Some even called it a scam, saying premium features unlock almost nothing new. Privacy is another red flag. The dev's policies are vague. The app collects usage and identifier data without clear safeguards. For a tool who wants you to search personal names, that's a serious concern. So if you're hoping for a powerful AI search engine, DeepSearch doesn't deliver. Free tools like Google or ChatGPT's built-in research features are far more accurate, transparent, and private.